Make a cilantro dill salad with me. I have a handful of dill, cilantro, and kale. I am cutting up the dill. Took about a handful each thing, so if you like something more or less, you can add more or less of it. Okay, now I'm just going to cut up the cilantro. I'm going to use this pot for the salad instead of a bowl because it's pretty and new. First I'm going to add the dill, and then the cilantro, and this is kale, and it's already cut up. I'm adding 1 apple cut up in bite-sized pieces. And I'm adding some jalapeno brie and mozzarella cheese that I cut up into small cubes. Okay, I'm going to stir this around, mix everything together. Okay, now we're going to quickly make a sauce. So we're going to add olive oil, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of grapefruit juice, squeeze of Dijon mustard, and some lime juice, and a little bit of salt. And we're going to stir this. Okay. And we're just going to pour this on here, like so. And we're going to give it a stir. I forgot to add the garlic powder to the dressing, so I'm adding it now. And that's it. Dill and cilantro salad. Put some in a bowl. Ta-da!